The British are fucking coming. They're coming for us. We gotta warn the world. We have to make everyone hide. Like, there's no one. They knew.
People already knew. It's this guy on a bike. I don't know what he's thinking.
Well, what is he doing?
I don't know.
The British are coming!
The British are coming! Oh God, there's some big kids. What are they doing? Look at them all.
What are you doing? The British!
The British are coming! The British are coming! I don't understand what people are trying to do.
Seriously, why would they be downtown when the British are coming?
Everyone knows the #1 place British people hate is Canal Folk.
The townies.
The townies.
The townies knew. They're gone.
They already got the news.
They're just...
People are having moving sales because they're moving out of the area.
We went to the moving sale. We bought their cups.
We bought them.
I swear we did.
Alright. Just at the end.
Alright. Well, the British are coming.
You've been warned. Good luck.